Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about candle holders. Candle holders are a great way to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room in your home. They can also be used to create a romantic atmosphere or to simply add some ambience. Type of candle holders. There are many different types of candle holders available, so you are sure to find one that fits your style. Some popular types of candle holder includes glass candle holder. Glass candle holders are a classic choice. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes and they can be used to display a variety of candles. Metal candle holders. Metal candle holders are another popular choice. They can be made from variety of metals including silver, gold, brass. Metal candle holders can add a touch of glamour to any room. Ceramic candle holders. Ceramic candle holders are a great way to add a touch of color and personality to your home decor. They come in a variety of shapes and styles and they can be used to display a variety of candles. Ceramic candle holders. Ceramic candle holders are a great way to add a touch or color or personality to your home decor. They come in a variety of shapes and styles and they can be used to display a variety of candles. Wood candle holder. Wood candle holder are a natural and rustic choice. They can be used to add a touch of warmth and coziness to any room. Stone candle holders. Stone candle holders are a durable and elegant choice. They can be used to add a touch of sophistication to any room. How to choose the right candle holder? When choosing a candle holder, there are few things you will want to keep in mind. The size of the candle. Make sure the candle holder is the right size for the candle you want to use. You don't want the candle to be too big for the holder or it could tip over. The shape of the candle. The shape of candle should complement the shape of candle holder. For example, a round candle wood looks best in a round candle holder. The material of the candle holder. The material of the candle holder should match the style of your home decor. For example, if you have a modern home, you might want to choose a metal candle holder. The color of the candle holder. The color of the candle holder should complement the colors in your home decor. For example, if you have a lot of neutral colors in your home, you might want to choose a white or black candle holder. How to use candle holders. Once you have chosen the perfect candle holder, it's time to put it to use. Here are few tips for using candle holders. Place the candle holder on a stable surface. You don't want the candle holder to tip over and cause a fire. Keep the candle holder away from flammable materials. Never leave a burning candle unattended. Extinguish the candle when you are finished using it. Conclusion. Candle holders are a great way to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room in your home. They can also be used to create a romantic atmosphere or to simplify add some ambience. With so many different types of candle holders available, you are sure to find one that fits your style. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on candle holders. If you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.